In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Cursor and GBOX for iterative development and testing of an Android app. We will create a native Android client for the open source project OpenWebUI. Here's our prompt, which introduces the structure of OpenWebUI and instructs it to use an iterative development approach. Similar to how Cursor operates, it first plans out what needs to be done and then starts writing code. But at this point, it's really coding blindly, without knowing if the code will work as expected. But soon, things change. Cursor starts using GBox to check if the code it wrote is actually correct. Let's switch over to the GBox page and see what Cursor is doing. Cursor installs the APK it just created in GBox, launches the app, and checks if there are any basic issues. Great, it works. Now that the basic flow is up and running, Cursor starts working on the planned business logic. The first step is to build the core UI, set up networking, and implement the login process. Go ahead, Cursor. It's worth mentioning that Cursor is powered by O3, which is currently the most advanced coding model available. We'll skip over the part where you write the code and go straight to see what Cursor produced. Once again, Cursor installs the APK, opens it, and lands on the login screen. Looking good, Cursor. Then it tries to log in with the provided account. You can see that Cursor can use an Android phone in the GBox to operate the app, enter credentials, and interact with the interface, just like a real developer testing their app. Oops, there's an error. Whenever this happens, Cursor will try to fix it. That's what we use GBox with Cursor, so it can catch problems as they come up and handle them automatically. After that, Cursor moves on to the second milestone, loading the user's chat history. But this time, its first try doesn't work out either. Cursor tries a few debugging steps, but nothing seems to work. Let's see how Cursor handles this problem. It decides to add some debug logs to the code. A great choice. With that, it quickly finds the issue and manages to fix it. Thanks to GBox, Cursor isn't coding blindly anymore. Now it can actually check if the code works and reliably get the job done.